Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2017 Toyota Hilux dual extra cab chassis SR Ute, stock reference number 4094. This shape runs from the 9th month 15 through to the current shape. It has a 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual 4-wheel drive transmission. 1GD 2.8 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand front and side. It's fitted with factory 17-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch factory steel rim with a good tyre. It's got a factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Spare wheel. Right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior with the power window master switch. It's got a leather center console in black, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat-nav display, CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.